had some errands to do in BGC area last so my husband and I decided to try the Alley by Vikings in BGC. Na-surprise ako sa sobrang laki ng branch na to. This is way bigger compared to the Alley branch in Pasig where we normally go. In terms of food selection, a lot of dishes are the same, but there are more options here in the Alley BGC. But take note that the price here is also higher compared to the price in the Alley in Pasig. One tip nga pala to get a discount sa the Alley is by booking through Eatigo. We got a 30% discount because we booked via Eatigo. Yun nga lang 12:30 na kami nakapasok kaya medyo bawas na yung food kung mapapansin nyo dito sa video. But it's alright kasi napansin namin nagre-refill naman sila. What I like lang sa The Alley and Capital Commons is meron tongyang. Actually, minsan yun lang yung pinupuntahan ko doon. Here sa BGC branch, walang tongyang. But may hot pot naman sila. Yun nga lang, beef broth lang yung pwede. May mga Filipino dishes din sila like kare-kare, crispy kangkong, international cuisines like paella, Korean food, may mga mixed seafoods din. This Cajun mixed seafood is super spicy but really, really good. Yan yung binalik-balikan ko doon. Their steak is also okay. Merong roasted chicken, roast pork and beef, side dishes like potatoes, corn, and steak rice. We only tried the roast beef and nagustuhan namin. Super lambot and yung gravy, tamang-tama yung timpla. Iba-iba yung experience namin sa mga steak ng buffet but this one is really, really good. Tasty and super tender. I also love the selection of desserts here. Yung coffee nila is from Nord Spa. They have so many options sa cakes. May mango sago, and halo-halo. Their coffee is not the usual brewed coffee lang sa buffet. May option ka to have flat white, cappuccino, latte, and bongga may pa-coffee art pa. I don't usually enjoy yung mga cakes sa buffet but this chocolate cake that I had is quite good. I use local beans na okay yung taste for me. Drink option same lang sa ibang The Alley, maraming juice, meron ding beer, I didn't check kung merong wine. Sugar-free, electrolyte drink, Pepsi, 7-Up, Ice Milo, and iced coffee. Meron ding bibingka and fish balls. Mas marami yung selection ng Chinese dishes dito compared sa ibang The Alley. May DIY congee, make your own hot pot na beef broth yung option. Siomai, meron din ako nakita na ube siopa, wala lang sa video. Mixed vegetables and laksa-flavored seafood. Yang chow fried rice, meron ding fried kikiam, pancit canton, and there's also soy chicken. Medyo mahirap mag-video that time kasi it's around 12:30 and medyo maraming tao. Okay din yung dessert section nila for me. May ginataang mais, ang daming mga kakanin, big scoop ice cream. I tried the salted caramel, avocado, and chocolate. May mga toppings for ice cream, cookies, brownies, and cupcakes. Bread selections are okay too. May mga cheese roll, ensaymada, cinnamon roll. I didn't try this kasi macarb. Pag sa buffet, I always go kung saan maraming seafoods. Ito rin, binalik-balikan ko yung cheese section. May mozzarella, cheddar, and cream cheese. Walnuts and grapes, the usual. Meron ding fruits and make your own salad. Meron ding ready-made na. Grabe, blockbuster ang kanilang Japanese section, ubos agad. But nagre-refill naman agad sila and you can ask for salmon sashimi. There are also other Japanese dishes like tempura, okonomiyaki, and yasai itame. Pizza and pasta station. Didn't try any of the pizza but sabi ni Habi masarap daw yung 4 cheese pizza. For pasta, they have pesto cream and aglio olio that day. Meron ding make your own pasta. The ambience here is nice. Ito yung pinakamagandang The Alley by Vikings for me. Sa food, may mga okay, may hindi. Pero mas marami ako nagustuhan. Kayo, na-try nyo na rin ba itong The Alley in BGC?